We have done a ton of first look and hands-on with a slew of other portable power banks, as you can see on the corners here in recent videos, specifically around Anker and Casely. But we have a smaller brand here called Listen, who we just discovered. They didn't send us this, we purchased it with our own money, which might be one of the more premium looking aluminum slim power banks. So as you can see here, packaging is pretty discreet, but you should guess right off the bat how thin it is. This is going to be a looker for sure. So this is the ultra slim aluminum alloy 5000 milliamp hour power bank. I want to show you exactly how it looks today and how it actually aligns with an iPhone and a new S25 Ultra. So opening this right up, let's get right into this. There's probably not going to be a lot in this packaging, unsurprisingly, but as far as what it does, this could be the next hit for what you're going to want. So let's go ahead and just dump everything out here, pull this cover off, and get right to it. So you have some reading material here. We're going to just pop that to the side. A little information card on how to avoid charging under certain conditions, unsurprisingly. And then a little QR code as well. Looks like it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Looks pretty short actually, but it'll work if you want to actually charge your phone and the power bank at the same time rather than using MagSafe charging. And then obviously the star of the show right here is this, the Listen power bank with a USB-C port at the bottom, like we said, that is an in and out port. So like I said, if you don't want to use this as a MagSafe bank to get faster charging, you can simply use that connector and hardwire it in to your phone. So again, we have a couple of different devices here. I want to show you how it looks when paired with an iPhone and again, a Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I obviously have an ARC case on right now on the iPhone, and you can see, oh, it looks like there's a little LED indicator on the side here too, and your power button. Let's see if this has any power. It does have a little bit. So you're just going to be able to simply line it up like this, and you can see it's actually charging, and we have the animation right there as well. So I will say it does seem to hold decently well. I'm not sure if the magnets are the best here necessarily, but it does work very well. And it looks like on an S25 Ultra, those magnets don't grip quite as good either. You can kind of see it sliding right off, most likely because of the camera ring and some of those issues we've experienced with these other power banks, not specifically lining up perfectly. So something to keep in mind if you're looking to power a different device other than an iPhone at the same time. Now, if you have a regular traditional case on and you pop it on that way, you get a much more snug fit that does sit and feel much more confident in using. As you can see, again, one of the biggest selling points is just how thin this baby is, and I gotta say it does feel much nicer to hold than some of those other cases that we've seen. One of the big things I do want to go into is simply jumping into settings, going into battery, and seeing, it might take a second, but seeing if it does show if it's fast charging or not. And unfortunately now it does still give you that dreaded pop-up message that it is slow charging. So I'm not sure what exactly is going on with some of these power banks, but this one, in addition to that Anker Slim, all do actually give you that same slow charge notification, which is not ideal, and really means the power discrepancy between the power bank and the phone is not going to give you as good of a charge as it could otherwise. So that is something to keep in mind. As you can see here though, this is really impressive, the technology behind it. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot. We'll be doing a whole review on this in an upcoming video. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you do want to see that. But that was an issue we did have with this Anker power bank as well. Now, if we plug this right in to the S25 Ultra, you can see we are not even greeted here with wireless fast charging, unfortunately, like we were with the Anker bank. So this truly will take a little longer to charge at the cost of looking a little better. Again, if you plug in an Anker charger here, you will see, though, it does say fast wireless charging. So 23 minutes via fast, and then popping this on, you're going to get a little slower charge time of 23 minutes, which is very comparable. Pretty interesting to see there nonetheless. But yeah, quick little video for you guys today. What do you think of this design? It is an aluminum alloy, like we said. It does feel definitely more premium than some of these other ones. I don't know. Let us know in the comments down below. What do you think? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.